this video I'm going to show you the most common problems when installing a water feature pump, which is that the pump has air inside and then it doesn't work. So let's say if you have a container or a tank, this is your water level, and this is a pump like that, so it's a pretty big pump, and here would be the sucking side and here's the pressure side. So what happens if you put the pump into the water and you have the sucking side below? Then there will still remain air here inside the pump. So when you start the pump, the rotor or the propellers in here, they just, because they're not covered with water, they will not be able to transport the water. So even if it's, so when the first time when you put a pump into your tank, you should take care that the sucking side is from above so that the air could get out and the water could get in the pump. So when you turn it on, it will immediately be filled with water and it will pump at 100% capacity. But after you have done that, you should turn the sucking side down again, because if you have it upwards, like in this example, you might get a vortex here, which then again will suck air or create sucking noises like something like that. So after you have removed the air inside a pump, you should take care that the sucking side gets as down as possible, because then even if you have lost some water, the pump will still work because the sucking side is underwater. So this is the most common problem which happens. So for example, when you change the water and then you put fresh water in, then it happens that in the meantime the pump has been filled with air, and then when you turn it on, it won't work. So but before you then go there and turn the sucking side upwards, there is another trick you can use, which is start the pump so that it gets a little bit water in it, and then immediately stop it, and then when it stops, the backflow will press a little bit off the air bubbles outside the pump. So then you don't need to turn around the sucking side, but if you just do this, like turn it on 1 or 2 seconds, turn it off, let the water come, press the air outside. If you do this 3, 4, 5 times, then you also can remove the air which is inside the pump so that it will start pumping.